despite the hardship in our life, what motivates you to finish your degree?
What motivates me? A motivation.
Wala talaga ako tinanong
ka.
And then, of course, yung pangarap mo, di ba? Yun yung nagmo-motivate sa'yo eh. Alam mo, nung nag-film ka, kasi actually tatlo yan eh. Variety show, and then nagkaroon tayo ng theater, and nagkaroon tayo ng film. So yung film natin, isa ako sa mga nag-edit ng film natin. And na-feel ko na gusto ko maging editor someday.
Dun pa lang, nung college pa lang tayo, nalaman mo na, ay, ito yung gusto kong maging future job ko, or future passion ko.
Oo, may mga telltale signs kayo. Wow, telltales. Yun yung parang magsasabi sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mo talaga, ganyan. Ako, na-experience ko, maswerte ako na-experience ko siya na maaga. Kasi that time, parang sabi ko, parang gusto ko maging video editor kasi parang ang sarap magkwento. Tapos, pag nabuo mo na siya, parang, ay, ang galing, ito pala siya pag nabuo na. So, yun. Yun yung nag-motivate sa akin na parang gusto ko maging video editor someday and also maging director. Yung talagang parang...
So, kumbaga yung pinaka-main goal mo ngayon is to be the director.
Yes.
Like the biggest director! Oh my God!
Ganun. Isa yung sa mga...
Direct mo na ako!
Idinikit mo yung susumuti, hindi maganda.
Ako, it's good for you that you've had that kind of mindset.
Yeah.
Ako kasi nilamon ako ng hiya.
Bakit?
Kasi nung college tayo, gusto ko talaga sa stage. Pero,
Okay.
di ba, never ako nasa stage. Na-stage lang ako during, variety show. Pero, never akong nag-audition sa, sa film. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko mag-act in our film. Pero never ako nag-audition. Gusto ko din mag-act sa theater. Pero never ako nag-audition. Alam mo bakit? Lagi ako na-assign sa makeup.
Kasi magaling ka nun eh.
Parang sabi niya, ikaw na sa makeup. Okay, sige. Parang hindi na ako, sige ako na gusto ko din sa ganun. Pero na ako, nag-set aside ako kasi parang inisip ko, yung makeup, dun ako sa yung art ko is nandun sa
Makeup.
pag-makeup ng mga artists. Pero in reality, at the back of my heart,
skills mo talaga.
oo. Pero in reality, at the back of my heart, I want to expand my
Tingin at
hair. Expand?
Ano na-expand naman?
Ay, ganun nga. So, parang in reality, gusto ko din makita on the screen. Kaya lang, nilamon nga ako ng hiya. Nahiya ako. At saka siguro, naisip ko din yung expenses. Kapag, syempre kasi, super strict kasi ng aunt ko dati. So, pag ikaw yung bida sa film, hindi ka pwedeng uuwi agad.
Totoo yan.
At saka malandi kasi ako. So, inuna ko
Yes.
yung landi ko sa jowa kung it's one of the wrong decisions that I've made in my
Hoy,
life.
baka
Charot.
nanonood siya, hindi naman.
No, nakatulong naman siya in my past life. Pero isa yun, one thing that I would advise for the younger generation is do not rush the relationship and focus on your dreams, on your passion. Focus on building up yourself first. If you're young, but if you're 30 now, focus on your relationship.
So, how about Claudine?
College.
What motivates you?
To finish your degree.
Ako,
Hindi ko yung sinagot.
for the family. Kasi parang ako yung first na gumraduate ng 4 years course sa aming magkakapatid. So, yun yung goal ko. Kasi parang that time, sobrang hirap talaga. Like, pati pamasahe mo. Kaya lagi akong late kasi Sir Kiray.
Ako din na-drop out
Kasi
na ako.
hinihintay ko pa magkaroon ako ng pamasahe. Pero sabi ko, okay lang kahit, di ba binagsak talaga ako ni Kiray. Sabi ko, okay lang. Okay lang ibagsak niya ako basta ako gagraduate. Kasi sayang andun ka na eh. Kasi nasaraduhan ako ng PLM sa exam. So, ang meron na lang na schedule for examination ng
Is UDM.
college, UDM na
Same
lang.
tayo.
So, no choice ako. That time, hindi rin alam na pinush ko yung exam kasi parang na-hurt ako nun sa papa ko. Sabi niya pero mag-aral, lalandi ka lang din naman o mag-asawa ka lang din naman.
Nagkaroon din ako ng ganyan sa aunt ko.
So, parang nung narinig ko yun, hindi, mag-exam ako. Yun, nakatapos naman
Diba?
kahit late and absent.
Diba?
Nakarinig din ako ng ganyan na kasi syempre the way how I carry myself, laging they will always say that you are so flirt, you wear this, you do that. And then yung mga tao i-judge ka na malandi ka. So sabi meron akong kamag-anak na sabi sa akin, yun, enrollment pa lang sa hindi yung tita na nagpag-aral sa akin. Kakatapos ko lang mag-exam sa UDM, tapos nakapasa ako. Ang problema ko noon, sino magpapaaral sa akin? So, minessage ko yung papa ko, iyak ako ng iyak. Tapos, sabi ng tita ko na isa sa kabila, sabi niya, ba't ka ba mag-aaral ng college? At the end, mag-aasawa ka lang din naman. What's the point? Yun yung sabi nila, what's the point of you finishing your degree at the end? You're just gonna get a man or you're just gonna marry someone. Ganon yung sinabi sa akin talaga.
Pero ako naman, I don't take it in a negative. Ngayon nung dati, oo, na-hurt ako. Pero later on, yan, yung age ko ngayon, parang siguro nasabi lang yun ng papa ko, out of, syempre, hindi naman kami well off talaga. Diba?
Kumbaga parang,
Mahirap din parang ano na lang niya, isa-segue or what, kung ano man intention niya, alam ko naman hindi yun na para i-criticize ako or para matahin ako.
Yes.
Naintindihan ko naman.
iba yung
Diba?
sa'yo kasi parents mo yun, tsaka yung situation is different.
Mm-mm.
Yung sa akin naman kasi, ever since ginajudge talaga nila ako.
Tsaka kasi, bago naman ako nag-aral nun, may mga previous situations na nangyari sa family na hindi naman maiiwasan.
Mm-mm.
At hindi din naman sinadya.
Ako pinilit
So,
ko.
parang traumatizing sa parent kasi kapag yung anak mo maagang nag-asawa or, diba, yung ganun. Parang
okay,
yun lang
gets.
yung piniprevent. Pero not necessarily na tingin nila sa akin ay
Ako kasi
malandi or
growing up,
ano.
kasi yung mga kamag-anak ko sa kabilang side, mostly from provinces. So, ako yung batang laking Maynila. Yung batang laging naka-pek-pek short, yung batang laging naka-sleeveless, yung high school pa lang naka-lip gloss na. So, they always judge me na hindi ka naman makakatapos ng college. What's the point of you finishing your degree? Kasi mag-aasawa ka lang. Sayang lang yung pera. Parang ganun. Ako naman, hindi ako magpapatalo kahit anong, hindi ako nakapag-communicate dun sa side na yon for the past 4 years hanggat hindi ko natapos yung degree. Ganun ko sineryoso yung criticism na yun sa akin. Buti na lang talaga, thankful din ako sa tita ko na isa na naniwala siya na kaya ko. Sometimes you just need someone who will believe in you. In that way, you will pursue your passion or your dreams. Diba?
Yes.
Someone who believes in you. No?
Parents mo.
Ganun na nga.
Importante yun.
Or, the special someone. That's important, no? That will help you keep going.
Yes.
So, paano pag wala nun?
Believe in yourself.
Ikaw na lang ang tutulong sa sarili mo.
Believe in yourself. If you don't have anyone that will believe or support you, then believe and support yourself. Diba?
Kaya talaga, may starstruck pa ba?
Star Circle Quest!
Ang luma.
Starstruck at saka Star Circle Quest kontra yon. Doon kasi ako nag-audition, be.
Talaga?
Ano?
Kasi nung bata ka, nung college tayo, you were in SK.
Yeah.
So, public service. What motivates you to do the public service?
Nag-motivate sa akin. Actually, nagsimula kasi kay Charlene. It started with my eldest sister, Charlene, doing her projects. I just see myself like, I wanna do it too. With the help of Papa din. He also convinced me kasi at first, very ako sabihin, kabahin.
You're so nervous about.
Don't like to do things na
I feel like you overthink the things that you want to
Kasi
do.
I don't want to fail talaga.
Oh, you have a fear of failure.
Tsaka,
Pero doon ka matututo.
oo. I thought before that I'll lose the election. Kasi ang complicated, baka...
Yes.
It's hard to talk about politics, no?
Pero masaya yung journey. Kasama ka, batch ko si Karen Cordova.
Do you see yourself pursuing public service in the future?
Do I see
Serve
myself?
most-
No. Bakit? Kasi magulo.
Gula.
It's
Super gulo, toxic, negativity, lahat nasa'yo. Whether you do it or not, people will judge you anyway. So, kahit na genuine yung intention mo in helping other people, they will brand you as you have an ulterior motive, something ganon na for my own benefit lang. Kahit hindi naman yon. So, para saan pa? And then, kapag ka nasa politics ka, lahat na lang uungkatin. Kahit wala namang issue, may issue.
And besides, you can still help people even if you're not in the position.
Oo. At saka, ang number one ayoko is, when you're in politics, automatic, everyone in the family, lahat ng loved ones mo, involved sa dirty tactics ng politics.
Ikaw, let's talk about goals. What's your current goal in life? Like you mentioned, you wanna be a director. Is it correct?
Yes. Currently, I'm a video editor sa mga ibang vloggers sa YouTube, ganyan. So, na-achieve ko naman na yung goal ko before pa, diba, nung college nga, diba, nag-edit ako. So, dun ko na-feel. So, na-achieve ko naman siya. Pero ngayon, parang mas gusto kong maging director din. Kasi parang iba kasi kapag nag-direct ka kumbaga parang ikaw yung sinusunod dun sa gusto mong vision. And then, I want to become an actor din. Kaya nagtatry din ako mag-theater ngayon. So, yun. Pero alam mo, sa video editing, dun ko na nabuhay yung pamilya ko ngayon. Yung parents ko, na-achieve ko yung iba kong dreams. So, thankful din ako. Pero alam mo, maganda rin kasi na ginagawa mo yung isang bagay. Hindi lang dahil gusto mo, oo, ito, love mo naman siya. Pero, alam mo, may time na magsasawa ka So, dapat meron ka pang isa, for me lang sa akin lang, na meron ka pang isa na kung ano pa yung gusto mo, gawin mo lang din. Kasi baka magsawa ka dun sa isa So, baka
So,
lang...
dapat, it's also effective na your source of income or your passion is not just one.
Yes, for me.
Piling ko, na-apply din naman siya in real life.
Yes.
Parang ako kasi, yung passion ko lately, naging diverse. Kasi after, eto lang, even if I really want to pursue my passion when it comes to sa field natin as a mass communication, hindi ko siya na-pursue. It's because I really need to earn money when I was younger. Kasi there's no parents that will back you up. So, kung ano lang yung available job way back then that will sustain my financial needs and my brother's financial need, tinanggap ko.
Tinanggap mo lang.
So, tinanggap ko na nagstay kasi if it's a stable job for me, I'll stick to it. Parang naging pattern, naging ano ko din yung nasa Encore and Citibank ako. It gives me financial security. That's why I stayed. And then, naging ano na lang siya, kumbaga naging routine. And then after 3 years, sabi ko, oh, eto na ba yun? So, I want to push more. And then, naglipat ako ng ibang company. And then, nagstay ako dun sa Wells for like 7 years. And then, within that 7 years, kumbaga, it develops my mental state when it comes to career. Parang at the end, na-burnout din ako sa hustling life, sa busy life sa city. And then, nung nasettle ko na yung buhay ng mga kapatid ko, it started during the lockdown na in spite the good income, the good career, promotions, I still feel empty. Kasi I don't have my parents. I have my brothers, but my brothers do have their own life and they do have their own life already. And then ako naiwan ako na, oh, I've already fulfilled my calling as an eldest sister. So, nagkaroon ako ng feeling na I feel empty. And is this the life goal that I really want? Just to pursue my career. But at the end, I will go back in BGC. Sa condo, I'll go back home na, ala, empty. Parang uwi ka, magdi-dinner ka mag-isa, and everything. Dun umabot ako sa ganung point. That's why I started online dating. Kasi wala akong time, I don't have time na makipag-date sa labas. Kasi takot ako mo-take advantage physically. Kasi syempre, when it comes to lust and everything, it's hard.
Yes.
It's hard to say no.
Yes.
So, it's also hard to protect yourself sa mga to the guys. So, I told to myself, I'll just do the online dating. Para at least, you'll get to know the person, pero he won't be able to touch you. Dun ako, yun yung idea ko. At saka nag-lockdown din kasi.
Okay.
So, yun. Tapos sabi ko, okay, the reason why I tried dating way back then because I felt empty and I feel like it's about time to have a good relationship and moving forward to have a better family. So, siguro yun, regardless of what happened in life, whatever happens with the finances or with the career, I gave up my career just to be, I gave up the peak of my career just to be in Subic Bay because I want to focus with my relationship. There were times na I will cry to my partner, I can't stay here. I want to go back to the city. I want to go back to work. I want to do this. I want to do this. And then he said, you told me before that you want to start a family. How can we start a family if you want to do everything together? And then he said, you have to focus one thing at a time. And then that that's what happened for the past 2 years. Kumbaga, we tried to build up because it's a long distance relationship and then it jumps from long distance relationship and then it jumps to living in together. And then it's a Western man, different cultures, different language. So you really have to focus on building your relationship. So dun ako kasi yun nga yung at the back of my mind, yun yung feeling ko naging empty ako. I want to be with someone that is genuine, that could build a family with me. Tapos ayun, nag-move forward na lang yung mga plans.
Ang
Diba?
galing, diba? Tapos ngayon,
That's why when we were upstairs, that's why I told to him, to my partner, and to Claudine a while ago, you also have to set in your system, what do you really want in your future?
Yes.
What do you want to settle with the relationship? Do you just want to be a fuck-up buddy, or do you just want to be a happy relation? Ganun, kumbaga dadaan-daan naman yan sa iba't ibang stage. Kasi hindi ko naman sinasabi nag-straight relationship ako eh. Kumbaga, I've kissed, not really kissed, but I've met some frog before you met the prince.
May mga gano'n na siya
Ang
idiomatic.
init.
May book report.
Gradean mo nga yan.
Ganon.
Hinintay ko nga yung summary of the
Cheers!
story.
Ay, dapat pala, meron tayong yung shot. Zip lang yung wine, sabi ni Ann Curtis. Charot. Tumbok lang to, mag-share lang So, what's your life goals?
Life goals. Claudine.
Life goals.
Hindi book report.
For me, simple lang.
Ano yan?
Genuine happiness and financial stability sa family ko. Yun.
And good health.
Good health.
Good health.
Oo, pero parang malalim na rin yun, diba? Kasi
That is
mahirap
hard.
din makuha yun.
Kasi kapag pinag-usapan yung goals in life, lahat tayo nakapokus sa success na eh. Like
Oo,
careers eh.
yes.
It should be always comes with the family talaga.
Yes.
Parang yun lang ako. Sa totoo lang, maraming ngayon. Wala namang genuine na happy na tao nga. Sa generation na to For
Oo.
me,
It's hard.
especially sa social media natin, lahat ang happy. Pero sa
in
real
reality,
life, diba? Fuck you, parang ganun.
At saka in reality naman talaga, everybody goes through
nga.
hardship. Kumbaga may kanya-kanya tayong laban na nilalaban.
I have nothing against naman sa mga happy postings kasi ako rin naman ganun. Yun
Oo.
nga lang, diba? Parang
Ako din,
pagka
happy
goals,
post lang.
anong goals mo? Like, gusto ko maging successful businesswoman. Oo nga. Pero at the end of the day,
Is that the genuine happiness that you want?
masaya ka ba?
Correct. Pero for me, the true success is best measured by what you give, not what you get.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba?
Sa totoo lang.
Diba? Yung pag tinutulungan mo na yung parents mo,
Tsaka
it's a success for me.
Kapag ka tumulong ka at mayroon kang hinihintay na kapalit, for me
It's not a
talaga, it's
genuine-
business.
Correct.
Hindi yun health.
Diba? Ang sarap sa feeling kaya na tumutulong ka sa parents mo tapos, ay, yun yung true meaning of success for me. Yung ganun.
Ayun yung something na na-miss. Parang I wish
Oo,
because I know
nandiyan
it will
ka.
never happen. Kasi
Oh.
my mother, parang
Kaso, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na it's really, ako, it is a happy feeling, like fleeting moment kapag napoprovide mo or natutulungan mo yung mga taong in needs. Pero at the end of the day kasi, parang it won't matter to them. So parang in-exert mo lahat ng effort, binigay mo lahat, financially, emotionally, physically, nandyan ka. Pero marami pa ring ungrateful kasi.
yun parang
So talagang balance.
Balance.
norm siya
Correct.
minsan ng humanity that they will not be grateful. Minsan, di ba, we have a saying in the Philippines na pag binigay mo yung kamay mo, gusto pa yung buong braso.
Pamayat pa.
Ano pang dapat ibigay? Ibinigay mo na yung mo, tapos ibibigay mo pa
Hindi
yung
kasi parang hindi,
Wallet eh, charot, credit
parang walang bearing lahat.
Alam mo ako, ang naging technique ko sa mga kapatid ko. I set a certain time frame.
Okay.
Parang kasi ayokong yun yung sinabi namin, kung paano yung ginawa sa akin ng tita ko, ganun din ginawa ko sa mga kapatid ko. Sabi ng tita ko sa akin, sige, pag-aaralin kita, tapusin mo yung college mo just in 4 years. You
Mhm.
cannot exceed. After 4 years, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Matapos mo yan o hindi, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Mhm.
Yun yung sabi niya. So, ganun din yung ginawa ko sa dalawang kapatid ko. Parang, eto lang, hanggang dito lang ako. Hanggang apat na taon lang akong mag-support sa inyo. Kaya after nung CVG, nung Citibank, wala na. Kasi okay naman na kayo eh. So, at least, after that, hindi na kayo pabigat. Kumbaga, hindi, they can stand on their own.
Mhm.
Ganon yung, inano ko. Kaya ngayon, kahit ngayon,
Mhm.
yung hiya pa yung dalawang yan, mga ate.
Talaga.
Hindi ako yung first option nila. Which is, sometimes naiisip ko, wala, bakit naging ganun yung kapatid? Pero, I'm lucky or I'm blessed na hindi kami nag-go through sa financial hardship. Kasi, masipag sila pareho.
Ayun
Yung kapatid, yung bunso kong kapatid ngayon, puta, walang ginawa kundi maggala mag-travel. Sabi ko, tinasabihan ko nga siya, huwag mong gawin yung same mistake na ginawa ko. Inubos ko lang yung ko sa travel. Dapat mag-invest ka rin. Sabi ko, ang sarap siguro, imagine kung buhay si mama, if my mom was still here. Yun siguro yung one of my wish na it will never happen. I want my mom to experience
Mhm.
the life that we are experiencing. So, it's so impossible.
Wala na
Parang,
eh.
there's still an emptiness in me kasi nga, there's no parents. But then, what can you do about it? So, just be a good and genuine person. That will make your mama proud. Di ba? Pero totoo, in every decisions that I make in life, lagi kong inisip, will she be proud of me pag ginawa ko to?
Mhm.
Kahit yung kaya, ewan ko, ganun lagi yung takbo ng utak ko lately. Kaya kahit bisit na ako minsan, inisip ko, kaya.
Lalabang ka talaga. Let's cheers to that.
Cheers!
Okay.
Ikaw naman, kasi syempre British yung iyong boyfriend ngayon. Fiancé.
Fiancé.
Fiancé na pala siya.
Tsaka,
Sa tingin mo, anong pinagkaiba ng Pinoy sa British?
the difference of the Filipinos when it comes to dating,
Mhm.
tampo.
Why?
Filipinas are into tampo. Tayo kasi we like sulking.
Mm.
If we don't, for example, we don't want what he did, or we saw something that we don't want, we're just gonna be quiet, and then we're not I don't like. You're just gonna ignore your partner, which is very childish behavior in a way. Like, you don't speak up for what you want, or you don't speak up with how you feel.
Mhm.
Filipinos, if you are in tampo, they will court you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's okay. What's wrong, babe? What's wrong?
Oo.
What do you want? Oh, here's milk tea. Here's the thing. Filipino, yeah. Ay, gagi. So, Filipinos are like that. If the Filipinas is getting tampo, Filipino boyfriends will court you. Will try to court you. Or there are some boyfriend na they will just simply ignore you. With the Western man, they will not put up with it. Tampo ka.
Like, tampo
Gigil
is just limited for Filipino. I think
Tampo,
foreigners were very
having a
straightforward.
In Western, pag
Coming from
nagtampo-
me. Oh my
with
God.
Western, hindi ka pa, I'm not saying that it's not allowed to have tampo, because I'm still, time to time, pero hindi na siya extreme compare when I was younger.
It is like, don't make tampo, tell it to me straightforward.
Exactly. Parang, if you feel this way, tell it to me directly.
Yeah,
that
directly.
let's talk about it. It's very immature for you to just ignore your partner and don't say anything about what happened. And sometimes the reason why Filipinas are having tampo, or we don't speak up, is because we don't want to clash.
Yes.
We are the type of people na we don't like confrontations and arguments. So we
we're
want,
just maarte.
no, I don't know, but for me kasi, I don't want to escalate the issue. That's why I'm trying to be quiet, and in reality, I am composing my thoughts. Is my reaction valid? Is my feeling valid?
But they don't get it that way because you're
Oo.
making tampo.
Yeah, because you don't explain yourself. That's why they are like, what the hell are you? what the hell is going on? You
It's
are
like
just
you're
ignoring
making
me.
him guess. What's
Yeah,
in your
exactly.
mind?
With Western man, they will not put up with it. Ang dami sinabi, pero with the difference, Filipino will court you. Western man
Yes,
will
no.
not. They won't. They will just simply, okay, fine, whatever.
Oh.
Don't do that. Don't
And for
do
the-
that childish behavior. Tell it to me. Let's talk about it. Ganon sila. So,
it's like for a foreigner, when you say, don't talk to me for a day, they will really not talk to you and wait for you to text them, ha?
Really?
kasi with us kasi, he gets me already because I'm not the type of person that will nag. I'm not that type of person. I learned it in the hard way when I was younger.
Okay.
So, parang nowadays, he see it on my face. Sometimes I shut up my mouth.
Mhm.
I tend not to talk because I don't want to say such things that I will regret. Because I don't want to
see.
hurt him. I don't want to hurt my partner. It's because I am mentally and emotionally unstable. So for him, he see it on my face.
Mm.
So parang isang irap ko lang, he hates it. Like, why don't you just say it to me? Ganon siya.
Okay.
So for us, it's more on maturity.
It's
We
on
we
maturity.
sit down and talk. Sometimes we sit down, shout and talk. But at the end, we shout, yeah. At the end of the day, we sort it together. Like, okay, we always think na we are a team. We are not again. We are not supposed to be against each other. We are supposed to be a team. And if you want this marriage work, then we should communicate and listen to each other. So, ganun siya. Ganun kami. That's the difference. But sometimes we had an argument and then we're just basically holding each other's hand, but we don't talk.
What else?
Okay.
What else are you holding?
I wanna know.
Yeah,
Share
we
it.
want to know.
So we just doing, for example, he's doing his work. Work? What kind of work? He's
Oh
doing
my
his
God.
job. So,
You start working.
ganun. So yeah, that's how we handle tampo. I don't do tampo anymore because I feel like it's not healthy. And then it's up to the person if he's willing to
Mhm.
be in the same page with you. If he's willing to create a nice notebook chapter with you. Di ba?
Si report.
Reporting! So, ayun.
Oh,
Yun. But if you dated a Western man, just be direct. It's not effective. The silent treatment and
Hindi pala
tampo,
siya, no?
I
sulking
think
is
it
not
should
effective.
goes
You have to
no
be
matter
mature.
what nationality.
Mm.
That's the downside of being a Filipino. We're not being direct. So at the end of the day, ang nagsasuffer both of us.
Yeah.
Kasi
The relationship will suffer because both of you are not talking about it. Like, just be direct
It's
to the
like,
point. What do
what's
you
wrong?
want?
What's wrong with being direct to each other? Diba?
Mm.
How
Eh.
can you satisfy each other's need?
Kung satisfied.
It's a segue.
Satisfied.
Diba? If you're not open to it.
Dapat sinasabi, di ba? Para nasusolusyonan. Kasi
Sinabi
yung
ba,
iba,
be?
hindi sinasabi.
Sinabi.
Hindi sinabi.
Sa dulo na
sis.
sinabi. Tapos wala na.
Hmm.
So, yun.
Pero outside of the walang sinabi. Go lang. Go.
Yung kala mo okay lang.
Ganun.
Siya, okay lang, pero hindi naman pala. So, sana nasolusyonan. Diba?
Oo.
O kaya sana hindi na pumasok.
Or nag-meet halfway kung hindi talaga uubra.
Yeah, but, wala. Ganun siya. So, kailangan tanggapin.
So one tip if you want to have a Western boyfriend is just be direct to the point.
Yes.
With the heart.
With
the
anyone,
heart.
for
Ganun siya.
sure.
Ganun pala siya.
Huh?
With anyone.
Oo, with anyone. I
With
feel like
anyone, actually, yes.
that will work in every relationship, no?
Mhm.
Just be direct to the point. What do
Sa
you really
lahat
want?
naman. Pero happy ka naman with your sex life.
Of course!
Talaga,
But I
as in-
want more.
Rate 1 to 10, 10 being the highest.
Nasa 8.
8?
7 to 8, but I want 10.
So naghahangad ka ng 10, pero nasa 7 to 8 ka. Okay. Ano pa yung sa tingin mo
Kasi
na?
gusto ko ng 10 like every day. 3
Ah,
hours. Charot.
Palabon si Oti. Ganyan ang
Si
mga
Uncle Kelly.
Oo. Iba ka, no?
Demure kaya ako. That's it for now, guys. If you have further questions about these two lovely people or about me, you can just comment down below. And if you have any certain topic that you want to talk about, you can just simply ask me. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is just Kelly. Love, love, love. Adios.
Ay.
Then you closing. So that's it for now, guys. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have further questions or comments, you can just comment down below. So, huwag ka tumawa.
Further ado?
Okay, ako lang again. 1, 2. So that's it for now, guys. This vlog is... Johnson! Last na! Ay, nako.
Okay, game.
So that's it for now, guys. If you have further questions of if you want to know more details about us, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is just Kelly. Love.
Nakakatawa, babe. Love.
Adjo!